I'll show you how to use filters in Excel so you can hide the rows you do not need and quickly focus on the records that matter. Filtering is like a calendar for your spreadsheet, keeping the data you want visible and temporarily hiding the rest. First, turn the filter on. Click any cell inside your block of data. Then, go to the Editing tab on the ribbon. Click the Sort and Filter button, which looks like a small funnel, and choose Filter from the menu. When you do that, small drop-down arrows appear next to every header in the top row, and you're ready to filter. To apply a filter using the checkbox method, click the drop-down arrow in the column you want to filter. For example, the department column. By default, every item is checked, so click the Select All box to clear everything. Then check only the item or items you want to see. Click Apply, and Excel will hide rows that don't match. If your list is long, use the search box inside the filter menu to find the value you want instead of scrolling. A normal column arrow looks like a plain triangle, but when a column is filtering, the arrow changes into a small funnel with an arrow. That visual clue shows you exactly which column is currently limiting the view. If your data seems to disappear, it's usually just filtered, not deleted. To clear a single column filter, click the funnel icon in that column header and choose Clear Filter from column name. To remove all filters at once, go back to the Editing tab and click the Main Filter button again. The arrows will go away and all rows will reappear. If this video was useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment telling me what problem you want solved in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.